Jack, I'm going to need you to go ahead and start making the users mailboxes. I'm going to show you how. So you're on the server, you go in Exchange, you go to Exchange Administrative Center. Just go ahead and click that, log in as the admin. Okay, when you're in here, these are all your sections on the left. You want to be in Recipients, Mailboxes. Now, if you want to make groups, like distribution groups or something, you can do that here. Resources, don't worry about it yet. Contacts, don't worry about it. Contacts are used for, let's say that you want to have your external email at Gmail in here, and you want your regular mailbox to forward to it to go out. You'd have to do that. So you're going to go into mailboxes, and you're going to hit add user mailbox. And then you're going to basically browse to an existing user, pick a person, and then fill this out. For example, if Andrew is supposed to, it's Andrew Silver, it's supposed to be a Silver, then you basically, that's his alias. And then I think that's all you need to do. More options. You're going to want to load balance these between these two databases. So I'll hit a database one for the first one and just put the other one on the second one. I don't know what their email addresses are to do this for you. So this is really all you need to do is pick the existing user, the alias, and the mailbox. And I will hit save. And that one's done. Now he has a mailbox. Now I'm going to leave this one there. You can go ahead and hit the pencil on this one and edit if you decide his mailbox address, his email box address is wrong. You can just go here and hit edit. When you edit an existing user, you have general, which are all the basic things you would expect. The login name comes from the Active Directory user, as does much of this come from the Active Directory user. The mailbox usage, isn't really an issue yet. Contact information all comes from Active Directory. Organization, same. Email addresses, obviously you can add more than one. If you're going to modify them from the default of first, of what they're getting, like say you're going to give this person 4 email addresses, you want to possibly, I would test it first and then wait about, add another email address, like say this person's going to have 2. Hit add another SMTP address, test at, blah, blah, blah.com, and then come back to it an hour later and see if it's still there, or maybe the next day. I think it's going to reset it back to the default. If that happens, you need to uncheck this box on users that you're customizing from what the default template is. Okay? The mailbox features here, they pretty much should be okay. You shouldn't have to mess with those. Member of, where you can actually add them to distribution groups. And mailbox delegation, if somebody has to have rights to their mailbox. But pretty much if you just go through and add all these users and put the appropriate email address in there, that would be great. Okay? That's it. Thanks.